How to merge two tables on Word document. First thing you have to do is open up your Word document, and you just need to make sure you have two tables that needed to be merged. So what you're going to do here is select the table on top. So there are actually two methods. You could just go ahead and drag it and join it so that it fits perfectly right here. And as you can see, the table has been merged. Now the second method is you could just go ahead and bring out the second table and then merge it to the first one like so. And as you can see, the table has been merged completely. What you could also do is you could just go ahead and select this table down below, press Alt plus Shift and then up arrow key like so. And once you do that, it will automatically move the table upwards and you should be able to merge those. So go ahead and do that and you should be able to merge these tables without any problem like so. That's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.